And I think you said something which is also very interesting. Maybe we should actually talk about it a little bit more, which is the collaboration aspect. So when you have a design team and an engineering team, making them actually communicate, let's say we call it the COVID, how you call it the COVID-19 effect during the pandemic,
Yeah.
how do you actually communicate results, share CAD files, share simulation results? And that's actually something that's embedded in OnScale.
Yeah, it is embedded in OnScale to be able to share a project and to share templates even. Our ideal workflow, or my ideal workflow as an engineer, would be, I start in a cloud CAD tool like Onshape, which is the best cloud CAD tool out there right now. It's the former SolidWorks guys that started that company. I was a huge SolidWorks fan. Now I'm a huge Onshape fan. And you design a part in Onshape, and you may not know, as the CAD designer, you may not know what the optimal configuration of dimensions, material properties, etc. are, but you can get pretty close. And you're designing this part, and then in our ideal workflow, you seamlessly integrate OnScale with that. You can send it to OnScale. You can send all the parameters. You can create a parametric simulation study from that piece of CAD. Within OnScale, you can look at different material options. You can parameterize the CAD. You can basically find the right combination of geometry and material properties that solve the problem. And then you can bring the winning design back into Onshape and tag it in Onshape's PLM, product lifecycle management system. And you have all the simulation data tagged as well. So if your boss says, hey, why did you guys design the part this way? You can say, well, here you go. Here's a presentation of all of the simulation studies that we did, the analysis that we did to prove that this device will work. That's a highly collaborative capability, because within Onshape, I can share my part with different engineers. They can comment on it. They can actually put in 3D tags to tell me, hey, make this fillet, 3 millimeters instead of 5 millimeters. Within Onshape, same thing. I can collaborate with other engineers. I can say, hey, have you thought about this boundary condition or this physical effect? Have you done a thermal analysis on this part instead of just a stress, strain, displacement, static mechanical analysis? So, and by the way, you can do all of that without ever emailing a file to someone or saving a file on your local desktop and having to wonder if this version of the file is the latest version that corresponds with these simulation results. Because it's all in the cloud, everything is tied together, and you've got a complete revision history of what you've done. Even if you have to roll back to a previous version, it's very easy to roll back as well. So that's an incredible capability.